Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install some of the parts that I bought to replace on this truck. As you can see, I already went ahead and installed the windows back, the weather strip, even the door panels, the door handles. So it's all ready to go. It is dirty, don't mind that. But yeah, this is the Silverado. We just sprayed a few coats of the gunmetal metallic in a single stage, and it came out pretty decent for the quality of the paint. The $100 spent on the gallon kit. This is the surface. I know I got a little bit of the orange peel, as you can tell right here. I got a little bit of orange peel, but just that is enough to, you know, ripple the whole paint and just distort the image, the reflection. So, but nonetheless, it's still a, you know, decent paint job. We're gonna finish the look by installing some new parts, starting with these right here. These are the old mirrors that it used to have. As you can see, it has some silicone around it as it was broken and, you know, just worn out. Same thing for the other side. You know, it has a little bit of silicone around it. So we're gonna replace those with these right here. These are the manual towing mirrors. These are telescoping, they extend out. There's nothing electronic about these, so if you want to adjust the mirror, the top or the bottom has to, just do it manually. If you want to extend it, manually. So these you could find at eBay for $65. That's what I found them for, and it comes with the pair of mirrors and some nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these right here on the truck, both sides. It's just 3 nuts. We'll go from the inside, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here are the mirrors. That's a nice little upgrade. So the second thing I wanted to replace are the headlights. Check out these headlights. These are just a little bit faded, yellowed out. This one got some dirt on the inside, I guess. So just wanted to replace these just to get the most light output that we can. So I bought these. These are the black housing clear lens. It's a clear lens right here, completely transparent, with black on the inside, the inserts. Just chrome where the headlights go. These, I also found them for $65 for the set, the 2 headlights and the 2 parking lights, minus the bulbs. So we're gonna have to replace those as well. But yeah, second thing on the list, headlights. So the headlights are installed. Headlights and parking lights. No bulbs yet. I still need to go to the auto parts and get some bulbs. But just wanted to check in with you guys whether you think I should paint this to color match the gunmetal, or I should just leave it in chrome. Of course, right now it's all dirty, but if we do wash it and clean it up, it will turn back into chrome, and everything is, you know, pretty much intact all the way, with the exception of this piece right here, this corner. So I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I still need to get some light bulbs, but so far making progress. So the truck, when it came in, it only came in with the front Fender Flares right here, but the back ones were missing because they had replaced this bed. So the bed they got didn't have any Fender Flares. So to replace those, all four actually, I bought a kit. These are inexpensive, $55 for the set of four, which comes with the two front ones and the two rear ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. These are unpainted, just black ABS plastic. That's the way we're gonna install them. The back side of the Fender Flare, I just peeled the little double-sided tape just a little bit on the corners. Just when I install it, I'll be able to grab this plastic and just peel the backing. The kit also came with these little plastic rivets, I guess. So, and they align somewhat. Here's the flare through the bottom. The little rivets, they all lined up on their hole. So everything's all good. To the top, I still haven't peeled the little double-sided tape, but it closed pretty good. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the headlights along with the front grille, the Fender Flares. Installed those all the way around. Also the tow mirrors, I installed these already. They're adjusted and aligned. You can see nice view to the back, and the rain guards pretty much straight. Just eyeballed them, and once they're straight, just push them. These are the stick-on, they're not the in-channel ones, so they have the double-sided tape. These manual mirrors, you want to extend them out, just pull them out. In case you're pulling a trailer, it gives you a better view. You know, push them back in. There you go. And the mirrors are pretty big. Gives you enough window to look to the back. Here's the passenger side, looking really good as well. The color looks like factory. This is the gunmetal gray metallic in the single stage. I'm okay with the paint. With the color, like I said, it looks factory. I did get a little bit of the ripple, a little bit of the orange peel, so the bigger picture, it sort of distorts the reflection, but it's not a big deal. This was a makeover. We had a budget of $500, so all of it I spent on the truck. I didn't use any for labor or anything like that, so it was a $500 budget, so we spent $220 for the paint, and then we spent about $55 for the fender flares, $65 for the tow mirrors, another $65 for the headlamps, like the headlamps and parking lamps, and I guess it was about $25 for the rain guards, and I also bought some tape, some miscellaneous stuff to, you know, get the truck ready for the paint. But here it is, guys. For all you guys that watched the little series right here on this makeover, thank you so much. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, please please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I keep throwing videos out about paint, single stage, base coat clear, rust-oleums. So that's it. Peace out.